on the Big Island. We just checked in at the Mauna Kea Beach Resort, and Reed and I got laid. And they also gave us some refreshments. Some very cold towel.
Thank you.
Also hog juice.
Parched.
Our room isn't ready yet, so we're gonna go ahead and eat at this restaurant on property called Number 3 Cafe. So these are the popovers, and it's so flaky and so crunchy.
Fresh.
So good. Right now they're still getting our room ready, so we're putting some time in playing a little bit of ping pong. Stabs. Oh my god! Ooh. The lounge outside looks nice. Look at that view. We have a walk-in closet.
This is amazing.
Wow.
It's
2
a
sinks.
boy. Holy moly.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Another balcony for this. Wow. Woo! This bathtub, this view, this balcony. It's like a spa. Good morning. We are heading to breakfast. I didn't properly end the vlog yesterday, but we just had dinner inside our room. And now we are heading downstairs to a restaurant called Manta.
Good morning. So nice when it's empty. Oh, the palm trees. Inside the bungalow. This is the life, guys. Look at all the palm trees and the sound of the ocean. Having lunch at Mickey's Fish Market Bar and Grill.
Oh my god. It's so good. All suited up. We're ready to go mandatory diving. We're gonna be diving right there. Just finished swimming with the manta rays. It's not that cold, but we still got some hot chocolate. There's still people swimming. Just came back to our room to such a sweet surprise from Mauna Kea Beach Hotel staff. Thank you so much for this. We got some pineapple and some bread. Reed is gonna unwrap this tea leaf. It's so beautiful. All right, Reed's opening it. See what's inside.
Oh, cool.
Oh, look at all the fruits.
Chocolate.
We got some chocolate,
Bananas.
granola, fruits. Ooh, yummy treats.
Apples. Yes.
Yum.
Nothing better than fruits for snack.
We love fruits. Good morning. Up early for a quick photo shoot before we check out of our hotel. We got these pineapple coconut drinks, smoothies. Cheers. Cheers, Landon. It's so delicious. This is our second one, by the way. Finished breakfast. Reed is doing a little bit of work. Check out this view. This is my true hair when it's not curled and just air dried. It's real lion mane. One last look of our view. Oh, so pretty. See you at the next hotel. Bye. Checked out of Mauna Kea Hotel, but we are now staying at the Westin. We're currently waiting for our hotel room, so we're just lounging around on these rocking chairs. Whoa.
Feel well.
I love when the music is on. This is our room, our next room. Here's a tour of our room. This is the bathroom. Got the bathtub, the shower, and then the toilet's in there. And this is our room. We have the closet here, TV. We got double beds. It's gorgeous. We just got a delivery to our room and we got some goodies. Thank you so much. We got cheese platter with fruits and
Oh, mango.
oh my god, it smells so good. About to eat all the yummy treats. Doing some work before we head out for sunset and shoot this hotel that we checked in at. We just posted a new photo made for a campaign, made money while on our trip. He's trading right now. It's very possible to be on vacation and make money.
Absolutely.
Almost done with work. Just doing some emails and stuff, and then we're gonna go shoot. And then we'll take you guys later on wherever we're deciding for dinner, but we'll show you where we're going. Good morning. We are heading to a breakfast buffet right now.
Morning.
Today's gonna be a long day of exploring, so take you along with us. This morning we watched the sunrise. Now eating breakfast. Here's my view. This buffet here. We have waffles, omelet station. Rita and Lannon getting some omelets. So we got the meat station here. Bacon, sausage, eggs. Got some granola, milk, cereal, bread and butter. Got some fruits. These are my favorite fruits. We just left the Punalu'u Black Sand Beach. Now we're heading to Two Ladies Kitchen, and they're famous for their mochi on the Big Island. So we're gonna show you guys their little store, and then after that we're gonna go eat a late lunch at this cafe called Vibe Health Cafe. I think that's what it's called, but it's all vegan food. Yay! Thank you. We just got a sample of a strawberry mochi. So good. Alright, we're heading in for a late lunch to Vibe Cafe. We got all of our food. It's all so
Holla.
We finished most of the plates. So good. This coffee has 3 different types of mushrooms? Yeah.
Mushrooms. 3 different types of mushrooms.
So full. We are stuffed. Just ate all of that vegan food. We are full. Give that place 10 out of 10. So good.
Is itchy.
Good morning. It's Wednesday, our last day here on the Big Island. We have been shooting all morning. Alright, so just a little update. We're gonna have breakfast buffet. We're gonna check out. We're gonna head to the lava fields and show you guys a lava field. What else are we doing? And then pretty much getting gas and heading back to the airport. Yeah, going back home. It's been 5 days since we've been away from our pets and we miss them so much. We have 2 dogs and 1 cat. Just a little pet update. And I miss our cat the most.
I miss Blitz.
But we love them all. I just miss them so much. It's our first time being away from
Thank you, bro.
it's our first time being away from our cat, so it was a little hard. And she's still a little kitten. The sun is shining so bright, but it's so nice here.
The floor is lava! Hear how it sounds when you walk on the lava. It's like fragile. I don't even know if I'm allowed to be walking on here. But look at this. This is like ancient mud, just like so cool, man. Oh, natural.
Here at the airport.
Ready to go home.
Ready to
I'm
go home.
stoked.
You ready to go home? Poor thing.
Oh